Hi guys! So for this video I'm going to use yarn in two different sizes and colors. This one is in size 4 medium and this one is in size 2. So I'm just going to join them together just like that. And the crochet hook that I'm using is in size 5.5 millimeters. Then I'll make a slip knot. Now I will chain 4. Now on the 4th chain from the hook I'll make 10 double crochets. So this 3 chain will already count as 1. Now that I made 10 double crochets, on the 3rd chain from a hook, I'll make a slip stitch. This completes row 1. Now for row 2, I'll chain 3. Then right there to that same chain, I'll make 1 double crochet. In the next chain, I'll make 2 double crochet. In the next chain, 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 2 double crochet. So I'll continue making 2 double crochet in each chain throughout row 2. So now to finish row 2, right here to this 3rd chain, I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 2. So now for row 3, I will chain 3. Then through that same chain, I'll make 1 double crochet. In the next 2 chains, I'll make 1 double crochet through each chain. In the next chain, I'll make 2 double crochets. In the next chain, I'll make 2 double crochet. Through the next 2 chains, I'll make 1 double crochet in each chain. In the next chain, I'll make 2 double crochet. In the next 2 chains, I'll make 1 double crochet in each chain. I'll repeat this throughout row 3. To finish row 3, right here to this 3rd chain, I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 3. For row 4, I will chain 3. Then in the next chain, I'll make 1 double crochet. In the next chain, 1 double crochet. In the next chain, 1 double crochet. In the next chain, 1 double crochet. So for row 4, we'll make 1 double crochet through each chain, and then we repeat row 4 until we have 8 rows of double crochets in total. Now that we have 10 rows in total, I will chain 14. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So now I'll skip the next 14 chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And right here through this 15th chain, I'll make 1 slip stitch. So now we're going to work inside this loop until we close it. So I'll make 1/2 double crochet in the next chain, 1/2 double crochet in the next chain, 1/2 double crochet in the next chain. So I'll continue making 1/2 double crochet through each chain all around this circle. I'll repeat the same thing around this chain. So through each of these 14 chains we'll make 1/2 double crochet. Now that we have completed this row, again for our next row we'll continue making 1/2 double crochet through each chain. So for 2 rows around this circle we'll make 1/2 double crochet through each chain. So now that we have completed 2 rows of 1/2 double crochet through each chain, we'll decrease in every chain. In the next 2 chains I'll decrease. In the next 2 chains I'll decrease. In the next 2 chains I'll decrease. So we'll continue decreasing in every chain throughout this row. You notice now that I'm working on this loop, I'm not even joining the rows, just working around. So now again, for the next row, I'll decrease in every chain. So we'll continue decreasing in every chain until our loop is completely closed. So now this loop is closed, I'll chain 1. So now I'll just weave these ends in. So now that we have finished the heel, we're going to make 2 more rows of half double crochets around this area. So yeah, we continue making 1/2 double crochet in every chain throughout this row. This row right here is first half double crochet chain. I'll make a slip stitch. Then now for the next row, I will repeat the previous row. So I'll chain one through the same chain. I'll make 1/2 double crochet through the next chain, 1/2 double crochet through the next chain, 1/2 double crochet. So I'll continue making 1/2 double crochet through every chain throughout this row. So now to finish this row, right here through this first half double crochet chain, I'll make a slip stitch. Chain one, then we'll cut this yarn. Now with the yarn needle, we'll weave these ends in. So this is how they look. So these slippers will fit the sizes 10 through 11. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you like this video and thank you so much for watching.